Hello guys, we made it to Saskatchewan, Kenora. We never been here filming before, so population is about 2,000 people, so it seems beautiful in the summertime and we'll give you a little tour. Enjoy. This Ukrainian girl is holding a loaf of bread and salt, which symbolizes hospitality. So on the other side, it's written in Ukrainian language. It says "Вітаємо до Kenori," which means "Welcome to Kenora, guys." So beautiful statue.